1. Loktantra ke Swa and Republican Ethics are the selected speeches of which Indian personality? A. Narendra Modi. B. Ramnath Kovind. C. Venkaiah Naidu. D. S. Jayashankar. Hide answer. Correct answer B. Ramnath Kovind. Notes: Volume 4 of selected speeches of President Ramnath Kovind named Loktantra ke Swa and Republican Ethics was released by Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur. The books have been published by the Publications Division under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. 2. Union Cabinet has approved signing of MoU with which country in the field of biomedical tools and technologies? A. Japan. B. France. C. USA. D. Australia. Show answer. Correct answer C. USA. The Union Cabinet approved signing of MoU among the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India and the Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, and International AIDS Vaccine Initiative IAVI, USA. The MoU aims to contribute towards the development of improved biomedical tools and technologies to prevent and treat HIV, TB, COVID-19 and other infectious and neglected diseases. 3. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) approved which category of banks to provide doorstep banking services? A. Local area banks. B. Urban cooperative banks. C. Rural cooperative banks. D. Payment banks. Show answer. Correct answer B. Urban cooperative banks. Notes: The Reserve Bank of India doubled the limit on housing loans from cooperative banks from Rs. 32 Rs. 60 lakh for Tier 1 cities and from Rs. 70 lakh to Rs. 1.40 crore in case of Tier 2 cities. RBI also permitted rural cooperative banks (RCB) to finance residential real estate projects to support affordable housing and inclusive growth. Urban cooperative banks (UCBs) were allowed to provide doorstep banking services to meet the needs of customers, especially senior citizens and differently abled persons. 4. Technology Development Fund (TDF) scheme is associated with which union ministry? A. Ministry of Science and Technology. B. Ministry of Defense. C. Ministry of Electronics and IT. D. Ministry of MSME. Show answer. Correct answer B. Ministry of Defense. Notes: Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has approved the enhancement of funding under Technology Development Fund (TDF) scheme to 50 crore rupees per project from 10 crore rupees. In Union Budget 2022-23, 25% of defense R&D budget was earmarked for private industry, startups and academia. The TDF scheme supports indigenous development of products and technologies by MSMEs and startups. 5. What is the GDP growth projection for India in FY 23 as per OECD's recent report, June 2022? A. 8.2%, B. 7.5%, C. 7.2%, D. 6.9%. Show answer. Correct answer D. 6.9%. Notes: The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development (OECD) sharply cut the growth for India to 6.9% growth in FY 23 from 8.1% estimated earlier. The GDP growth was forecast to be 6.2% in 2023. This is below the Reserve Bank of India's estimate of a 7.2% growth. The World Bank also sharply slashed India's FY 23 forecast to 7.5% from 8.5% in the April review.